Hey guys, this is a simple tutorial about how to use your AirPods as a audio recorder while you're shooting video. Unfortunately, this doesn't work for Final Cut camera, but it will work on your normal camera app on your iPhone, which is updated to iOS 26. First off, you need to open your camera app. This is a feature I was waiting for, but now it's there. Like opening your camera, swipe down from your control center. There should be a camera controls at the top. Click on it, and now you can choose your input. You got same as system. It's connected, so it's showing APA Pro, but it's always better to choose APA Pro. There you got three options: automatic, standard, and voice isolation. Voice isolation gives a little bit of an edge, but it's not best like having a dedicated microphone using a mic, but it does work actually. So that's it. And I'm actually using my AirPods. Already control center. I've changed into AirPod Pro settings, and now one more time. Hi, this is how it hears while I'm recording to my AirPods Pro while shooting the video. This is the audio quality, and the fan is on. I'm lying directly on the wind path, and this is I've set a mode to voice isolation. This is how the audio comes out of AirPod Pro into your iPhone while recording the video. That's it. That's the story.